As a NetSuite user, you're likely well aware of the challenges involved in manually generating reports. Managing multiple data sheets, handling data silos, and trying to analyze data from different sources can be a cumbersome and error-prone process. With financial leaders increasingly demanding faster access to critical data, struggling with disjointed systems and time-consuming reporting methods can hold you back from making timely, informed decisions. This is where BOLDSuite Analytics comes in. BOLDSuite Analytics uses our proprietary NetSuite Data Connector to bring your NetSuite data directly into Power BI. It merges NetSuite datasets with other external data sources, providing up-to-date information in real time and tailored to your exact needs. We've developed multiple out-of-the-box reports designed to address the specific needs of businesses across various industries, including budget versus actuals. Get a real-time financial overview to manage day-to-day operations and keep expenses in check. Track orders placed within a specific period, monitor real-time inventory, and view comparisons of net amounts versus quantities billed. Automate monthly commissions, get a breakdown of sales by rep, and track overall performance by day, month, quarter, or year. Dive deep into complex project data with drill-down charts and graphs that enable real-time tracking and ensure projects stay on schedule and budget. With BOLDSuite Analytics, you can create immersive, interactive reports and dashboards that provide the insights needed to drive informed business decisions, improve visibility, and ultimately increase profitability. Designed with NetSuite's data structure in mind, BOLDSuite Analytics ensures your data stays secure within your environment. With a REST-based connection to NetSuite and token-based authentication, BOLDSuite Analytics handles large datasets effectively while providing complete and incremental data refreshes. This self-service BI solution allows your team to securely access data whenever it's needed, without any data leaving your organization. At AlphaBold, our BI experts are committed to helping you overcome today's reporting challenges and support your growth. Contact us today to learn more about how BOLDSuite Analytics can simplify your reporting, empower your decision-making, and fuel your success.